Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Study with Rakhi Sikri. Today we are going to discuss top 10 most important multiple choice questions from the chapter Nutrition in Animals class 7. So let's get started. Question number 1 is, why do ruminants like cows chew cud even after initial chewing of food? The options are A. To reduce the size of food for easy swallowing. B. To mix saliva thoroughly with food. Is it C. To digest cellulose with the help of bacteria in the rumen? Or is it the D option, to absorb nutrients in the mouth? And the correct answer to the question is C option, that is to digest cellulose with the help of bacteria in the rumen. Ruminants have bacteria in their rumen that help break down cellulose from plant material. Chewing cud increases the surface area and gives more time for bacteria to act on the food. Let's move on to question number 2. What would happen if the villi in the small intestine were absent or damaged? The options are A. Digestion of proteins would stop. B. Absorption of nutrients would decrease. C. Bile would not mix with the food. Or is it option D. The movement of food would increase? And the correct answer to the question is option B, that is the absorption of nutrients would decrease. The villi increase the surface area for absorption of nutrients in the small intestine. Without them, the efficiency of nutrient absorption would drop significantly. Moving on to question number 3. How is the stomach protected from the acid it secretes? The options are A option, the stomach lining secretes enzyme. Option B, mucus is secreted to protect the stomach wall. Is it option C, bile neutralizes the acid? Or is it the D option, the acid is stored in the gallbladder? Let's find out the correct answer. It is the option B, mucus is secreted to protect the stomach wall. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, which forms a protective layer preventing damage from hydrochloric acid. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 4 is, if a person's liver is damaged, which process of digestion is likely to be affected the most? A. Digestion of carbohydrates. B. Digestion of proteins. C. Digestion of fats. Or is it option D. Absorption of minerals? The correct answer is option C, that is digestion of fats. The liver produces bile which emulsifies fats into smaller droplets, aiding in fat digestion. Damage to the liver affects this process. Question number 5 is, which of the following statements best explains the importance of enzymes in the digestive system? Option A, they prevent the food from rotting in the stomach. Option B, they speed up chemical reactions that break down food. Option C, they help absorb nutrients from the food. Or option D, they convert water into energy. The correct answer to this question is, they speed up chemical reaction that break down food. Digestive enzymes act as biological catalysts that speed up the breakdown of complex food molecules into simpler forms. Moving on to the next question. Why is the small intestine longer in herbivores than in carnivores? Is it option A, they eat more food than carnivores? Option B, their food is richer in proteins. The option C is plant food is difficult to digest and needs more time for absorption. And the last option is it helps store more food. The correct answer to this question is plant food is difficult to digest and needs more time for absorption. Cellulose in plant-based diet is hard to digest, so herbivores need a longer small intestine for thorough digestion and absorption. Let's see question number 7. How is peristalsis important? A. It secretes enzymes. B. It absorbs digested food. C. It produces acid. Or D option, it moves food through the digestive tract. The correct answer to this question is it moves food through the digestive tract. Peristalsis is the wave-like muscle movement that pushes food through the digestive system, ensuring it moves from one organ to the next. Moving on to the next question. If the salivary glands stop working, what part of digestion will be most affected? Option A, protein digestion. Option B, starch breakdown in the mouth. C option, fat absorption. Or is it D, acid neutralization? And the correct answer to this question is option C, that is starch breakdown in the mouth. Salivary glands secrete saliva containing salivary amylase, which begins the digestion of starch in the mouth. Without it, starch digestion is delayed. 9th question. What is the primary reason why cellulose cannot be digested by humans? Is it option A, humans lack a long digestive tract? B option, humans do not produce cellulase enzyme. Option C, cellulose is too small to be digested. Or is it D option, that cellulose is a protein? The correct answer is the option B, that is humans do not produce cellulase enzyme. Humans lack the enzyme cellulase, which is required to break down cellulose, a complex carbohydrate found in the plant cell walls. And the last question for the day is, what would be the consequence of removing the pancreas from the human body? Option A, no bile would be secreted. B, digestion of proteins and carbohydrates would stop. C, saliva production would stop. Or is it option D, villi would not develop? The correct answer to this question is option B, that is digestion of proteins and carbohydrates would stop. The pancreas produce enzymes like trypsin and amylase, which digest proteins and carbohydrates. Without the pancreas, this digestion is severely affected. So that's all for today. These were the 10 most important multiple choice questions of class 7 chapter Nutrition in Animals. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more such informative videos. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care and bye-bye.